Hello students, welcome to the class of Mathematics, Standard 4 Maths, Chapter number 12, How Heavy, How Light. So, let's we start our chapter number 12, How Heavy, How Light. Heath and Manu were shifting their house. They loaded all their things on a horse cart. There were many things like a water tank, 5 sacks of wheat, 3 tables, an almari, 4 chairs, 2 mattresses, 3 sacks of rice, a bamboo ladder, pots and pan. See this figure. Here, Heath and Manu are loaded all the things on the horse cart. When they were ready to move, the horse refused to start. जब वो लोग जाने के लिए रेडी हुए तब हॉर्स ने रिफ्यूज किया. They wondered why. उन लोगों को wondered हुआ क्यों. Their father said that this horse was not well and would not pull a load heavier than 700 kg. तभी उसके पापा ने उन लोगों को बताया कि ये हॉर्स वेल नहीं है, वो 700 से ज़्यादा सामान का भार नहीं ले सकता है. ओह, बट हाउ हैवी दिस लोड, दे आस्क. वो लोग पूछने लगे कि ये जो पुश कार्ट में, जो हॉर्स कार्ट में है, वो कैसे हैवी हुआ. तब जाके उसके पापा ने उसको एक्सप्लेन किया कैसे. सो हियर द थिंग्स लोडेड इज a sacks of wheat 100 kg, a sacks of rice 35 kg, water tank 50 kg, almari 70 kg, table 10 kg, chair 5 kg, mattress 20 kg, bamboo ladder 20 kg, 10 kg, pots and pans 10 kg. So let's we start. What is the total weight of the things which are loaded on the horse cart? अभी हम सारे चीज़ों की टोटल वेट निकालेंगे जिससे कि हमें पता चले कि हॉर्स पे कितना वेट है. सो ए सैक्स ऑफ व्हीट 100 kg है, उसके नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स कितने हैं 5. सो 5 मल्टीप्लाई 100 इज इक्वल टू 500 kg. ए सैक्स ऑफ राइस 35 kg. कितने बंडल है 3. सो 3 मल्टीप्लाई 35 इज इक्वल टू 105 kg. वाटर टैंक 50 kg. 1 मल्टीप्लाई 50 इज इक्वल टू 50 kg. अलमारी 70 kg. 1 almaris are there, so 1 multiply 70 is equal to 70 kg. A table 10 kg. 3 multiply 10 is equal to 30 kg. So 3 table है तो 3 tables का weight कितना होगा 30 kg. A chair 5 kg. How many chairs are there? 4 chairs. So 4 multiply 5 is equal to 20 kg. A mattress 20 kg. So 2 multiply 20 is equal to 40 kg. Bamboo ladders 10 kg. 1 multiply 10 is equal to 10 kg. Pots and pans 10 kg is equal to 10 kg. Now here we do the total weight of 500 plus 105 plus 50 plus 70 plus 30 plus 20 plus 40 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 835 kg. So here his father explained that horse only pick up the 700 kg, लेकिन हेथ एंड मनु ने तो 835 kg लोड कर दिया था, तो हॉर्स रिफ्यूज करेगा. सो नाउ which things should be removed so that the weight of load is not more than 700 kg. See that हमारे पास 835 kg टोटल वेट है, उसमें से 700 कट कर दिए तो क्या हुआ 135. सो वी नीड 135 kg ऑफ दैम. सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे 3 sacks of rice यहाँ पे 105 है वो, और जो टेबल है 3 tables which means 30 kg. So 105 plus 30 is equal to 135. So 835 minus 135 is equal to 700. So we remove a sacks of rice 3 and 3 tables we remove, so that we are getting 700 kgs. एंड जो हमारा हॉर्स है उसको लोड ज़्यादा नहीं लगेगा. ओके, नाउ वी डू वन एक्टिविटी. दिस शो दैट who is heavier or not. Manu and Het has a pencil and geometry box in 2 pans of the balance. Which pan will go down? Why? Draw the pictures, show it. देखो यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने पिक्चर्स में बताया है पेंसिल है यहाँ पे, और एक जगह यहाँ पे कंपास बॉक्स है. हु इज हैवी, पेंसिल बॉक्स और कंपास बॉक्स? यस, कंपास बॉक्स इज हैवी. सो you have to make a different things used to balance and decide which is heavy. Here, first guess which thing we take the pan down and check with your balance. So यहाँ पे आप books and pens भी लिख सकते हो. जैसे यहाँ कंपास है, उसके साथ पेंसिल है, इरेजर पेंसिल ले सकते हो. Many things you should take yourself, measurement it, and which things are more heavier you have to observe yourself. Now make a group of things. For example, eraser, balls, papers. Use the balance to arrange them in order of weight. The lightest, the one with in between weight, the heaviest, and complete this table at least 5 examples. So one example is given. So we take paper, eraser and ball. So paper is lightest, eraser is between weight, and ball is the heaviest weight. Orange, coconut and pumpkin. Here we are taking 3 fruits. So orange is lightest, coconut is between weight, and pumpkin is the heaviest. Pen, notebook and dictionary. So pen is light, notebooks is between weight, and dictionary is the heaviest weight. Students, the balance children make will not be a very accurate, but will be a good enough to compare the weights which are different from each other. तो यहाँ पे आपको अपने आप 1-2 एग्जाम्पल लेके जिसका लाइट वेट है उसको लाइटेस्ट में डालना है, जिसका बिटवीन वेट है उसको बिटवीन में डालना है, और जिसका हैवीएस्ट वेट है उसको हैवीएस्ट में डालना है. नाउ मेकिंग ऑफ वेट. Do this activity in a pair. You need a balance weight, a cake of soap, plastic packet, sand, rubber bands. You can also take the help of older person. Here we get a cake of soap which are heavy weight. Its weight is 100 grams. Take a small plastic packet. See in the, put it on the pan of balance. Put the soap in the other pan. Slowly add, see here, slowly add the packet till the pan are balanced to the soap. Now close the packet with a rubber band or string the sticks a strip of paper and write 100 gram on it. पेपर पे हमें क्या लिखना है? 100 ग्राम, क्योंकि हमने जो सोप लिया था वो कितने ग्राम का था? 100 ग्राम का. तो जो पेपर में जो हमने प्लास्टिक बैग में पाउडर कलेक्ट किया है वो कितने ग्राम का होगा? 100 ग्राम्स का. तो यहाँ पे भी 100 grams. If you put the soap the weight you just made together in a pan, how many grams will both 100 gram soap plus 100 gram pepper is equal to 200 gram. Now make the different weight of 150 gram, 200 gram and 250 gram. Then you can see that soaps are in the different weight. Now you understood that when we are putting 100 gram soap in a pan, then the things which we get a powder is 100 gram. Now practice time. Which pan of the balance will go down? So show by drawing an arrow. See that here in the left 25 grams and 40 grams are there, and in the right pan 35 plus 40 is equal to 75 kg. Here 65 kg. So this pan is going down. So here there is a arrow. Same way here 75 plus 75 is equal to 150 and 35 plus 140 is equal to 175. So here this pan is going down. Now we can see that third one. See that here 105 plus 200 is equal to 305 and 150 plus 250 is equal to 400. So this pan is going down. So here 55 kg plus 245 gram plus 70 gram is equal to 1000 gram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Here 254 plus 600 gram is equal to 754 grams. So this pan is going down. Now see that in the next figure 20 gram plus 190 gram is equal to 260 gram, and in the right pan there are 197 gram. So who is going down? Yes, correct answer. This one is going down. Now in next figure 36 gram 75 gram is equal to 111 gram. Here 63 plus 100 163 grams. So this one is putting down. Is the weight of any pans equal to 1 kilogram? Yes, see that this weight is called 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So we can understood that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So let's we understood about what is gram and kilogram. So here we are written 5 things which we measure in the gram and kilogram. आप कोई भी चीज़ ले सकती हो, इसमें आप अपने मम्मी की या पापा की या कोई भी एल्डर पर्सन की मदद ले सकती हो. सो हम ग्राम में क्या थिंग्स मेज़र करते हैं? टर्मरिक पाउडर, mustard seeds, chili powders, cardamons and cloves. These all we have to measure in a gram. Tomato, sugar, wheat, apple and rice, ये हम किलोग्राम में मेजर करते हैं. Now one day the teacher is explained that 1 kilogram of cotton is equal to 1 kilogram of iron. Yes, it's a true thing, because when we measure 1 kilogram cotton and 1 kilogram iron, the both measure is 1 kilogram. So for that we have to discuss about one story. This is a elephant weight. Once a king had a pain in his stomach. No one of the palace doctors cure it. Look, एक बार एक राजा को स्टमक में पेन हुआ. उसके पास जो डॉक्टर थे वो कोई उसका इलाज नहीं कर सका. The king said, anyone who cure my pain with cat gold equal to the weight of elephant. राजा ने ऐसा अनाउंस किया कि जो भी मेरा पेट दर्द दूर करेगा उसको मैं एक हाथी के वेट का गोल्ड दूंगा. On hearing this, the doctor from all over the country came, but only Dr. Vedika could cure it. Oh, now Dr. Vedika is very happy because she is getting a reward from the king. But the greedy king did not want to give her the gold, so he thought a trick. उसके दिमाग में एक ट्रिक आई. Vedika was unhappy when she reached home. She told her daughter the whole story. क्या सुनाया राजा ने स्टोरी कि पहले तुम एलिफेंट का मेजर लेके आओ, तभी मैं उतने वेट का तुम्हें गोल्ड दूंगा. सो वेदिका इज वरीड because she think that how can I weight elephant. तब उसकी जो बेटी थी उसने कहा, डोंट वरी माँ, आई हैव एन आइडिया. टेल द किंग टू अरेंज एन एलिफेंट एंड ए बिग बोट. उसने उसकी बेटी ने बताया कि आप राजा को बोलो कि एक बिग बोट और एलिफेंट का अरेंजमेंट करे. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग डॉक्टर वेदिका invited the king near a river. The king came with an elephant and big boat. See in the picture. All are said that, oh, she is fool. Why they are bringing one boat and a elephant? Now Vedika's daughter is very clever. She went to the river, see in the picture, and mark the pot how much it sank in the river. यहाँ पे जो आप वाइट कलर का देख रहे हो ना पिक्चर में, उससे पता चलता है कि एम्प्टी पोट का वेट यहाँ तक सिंक हो रहा है. Then he asked them to bring the elephant in the pot. फिर उसने बोला कि अब एलिफेंट को बोट पे ले आओ. The boat sank deeper, so she marked the new water level. देखो, अब एलिफेंट को बोट पे खड़ा करने के बाद उसने दोबारा मार्क किया. Now you imagine that what happened next and complete the story. So उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Then she requested the king to put the gold on a boat till the water level touched the raised water level marked when elephant was on the boat. जहाँ पे जो एलिफेंट था, तब जो बोट में ये वाइट मार्क किया था, तब तक बोट सिंक नहीं करे, तब तक गोल्ड भरने को बोला. Now king was left no alternative and had to give the gold equal to the weight of elephant to Vedika. See that Vedika's daughter very clever. She got an idea to weight the elephant. Now, how much the chair weighed? Anamika wants to weight this chair using the weight machine. यहाँ पे हमें weight machine दिखाई दे रहा है और एक चेयर. तो अनामिका इसमें weight कैसे measure करेगी? So yes, first Anamika should put a flat wooden slab on the weight machine and then kept a chair on it. So it is easily get a weight. Now broken stone. See that Abdul was very smart. He used those 3 pieces. See that here is a piece. The stone is broken into 3 pieces, 5 kg, 6 kg and 2 kg. Now Abdul wants to weight. So he can take a firewood all of weights from 1 kg to 9 kg. Here is Abdul's weight 1 kg on the firewood. See that उसने 5 kg का एक स्टोन रखा और 6 kg का रखा. तब जो ये वुड मिला वो कितने का होगा? 1 kg. So we have to discuss Abdul will use the stones to place the weight. How can he weigh 4 kg? Yes, in the left pan he put 6 kg stone and in right pan he put 2 kg stone. Now he want to make 3 kg of firewood. So what he do? He take 5 kg on left hand pan and 2 kg on right hand pan. Then it would be easily get 3 kg firewood. Now he want to get 7 kg firewood. So in left pan he put 5 kg and 2 kg of firewood. So he get easily 7 kg firewood. Now we can discuss about post office. Have you ever been to a post office? Yes, because see that we all see this type of post office. This is post box. What is the difference? Do the people go to there? How much does the postal card cost? 50 paisa. How much does the inland letter cost? 2 rupees 50 paise. See there, here are given the rate of postal cards. Single postcard is equal to 50 paise. Printed postcard 6 rupees. Inland letter card 2.50 paise. Letter weighing 2 gram less 5 rupees. For every additional 2 gram is equal to 2 rupees. Now parcel weight 50 gram or less is equal to 5 rupees and every additional of 50 gram is equal to 3 rupees. Now look at the postal rates given in the card. How much will you see that to pay for stamps on a letter weighing 50 gram 5 rupees. Akash want to send a parcel of the math magic textbook. His friend Rani in Chennai. The book weight is 200 gram. See from the table and give me the answer. What is the cost of posting book? 14 rupees. Our weight together. A frog was struggling to escape from the mouth of crow. How can I escape? The frog thought. Suddenly, a trick came to his mind. He asked the question to crow. Are you good in arithmetic? If yes, then you will give me the answer. Your weight is 650 gram and my weight is 145 gram. How much do we weigh together? Now crow think that I am very intelligent. So he gave the answer. My weight is 650 gram plus your weight is 145 grams. Total weight is 795 grams. When crow give the answer, he opened their mouth and the frog left out. Look, see that here frog has a trick to open the mouth of crow. Am I fit or fat? The chart shows that the height and weight of the children between 6 to 10 years. See that chart? Here, Temshula is 6-year-old. Her height is 3 feet and 7 inches. Weight is 16 kg. Here, the name of the friends are given, their age, their height and their weight. So now you have to find the name of your friends, age, height and weight and write in this box. How many oranges? All orange have equal weight. 2 papayas have the same weight. The weight in the first and second balance are equal. see the figure number 1. Here in the figure 1, then one left hand side there are orange and mango, and right hand side there are 3 oranges. So 1 mango is equal to 2 orange. Now in second balance, left hand side 2 papayas are there, and in the right balance 2 orange and 1 mango. So 2 papaya is equal to 2 orange and 1 mango, but 1 mango is equal to 2 orange. So 2 orange plus 2 orange is equal to 4 orange. So 2 papaya is equal to 4 orange. So 1 papaya is equal to 2 oranges. Now see the balance number 3. Here papaya plus mango is equal to how many oranges? हमको पता है क्या? 1 papaya is equal to 2 orange. 2 plus 2 orange is equal to 4 oranges. Now find that marbles. There are 3 marbles in same size, but one marble is slightly heavier or lighter than 2. Can you find which one? See that here M1, M2 and M3 are the marbles. First we put M1 and M2 marble in a balance. If their weight are equal, then M3 is the marble which have not same marble weight. Now if we take M2 and M3 marbles in a balance, if they are same, then we think that M1 is the marble with not same size. If we take M1 and M3 in a balance, if they are same, then we think that M2 is the marble which are not same weight. Now here we are completing our chapter number 11. Students, you have to revise all the sums. Thank you.